Are you ready to ace your road test? Passing your driver's test is crucial. It opens the door to independence and freedom. Let's explore some practical tips to get you prepared. First, master the rules. Thoroughly review your driver's handbook. Familiarize yourself with traffic laws, signs, and right-of-way rules. Next, practice key maneuvers. Focus on parallel parking and three-point turns. Repeated drills will build your confidence and proficiency. Always check your blind spots. Perform a shoulder check before changing lanes or merging. This ensures safety for you and others. Smooth control is essential. Demonstrate gentle braking, steering, and acceleration. Maintain appropriate speeds for different conditions. Observe and communicate clearly. Use mirrors frequently. Signal your intentions early to keep others informed. Staying calm is vital. Get adequate rest before the test. Deep breathing helps manage nervousness and keeps you focused. Know your vehicle well. Familiarize yourself with all car controls. Make necessary adjustments before starting your test. Mock tests can be beneficial. Practice with someone who can simulate the test. Drive on various roads and conditions to prepare fully. Aim to arrive early. Get to the testing center at least 15 minutes ahead. This allows you time to relax and gather your thoughts. Lastly, gather all required documents. Bring your ID, permits, and confirmations. Being organized helps reduce stress on the test day. In summary, remember these key tips. Master the rules, practice maneuvers, check blind spots, maintain smooth control, and stay calm. Know your vehicle, practice mock tests, arrive early, and gather your documents. Now it's time to take action. Review these tips, practice diligently, and approach your road test with confidence. Good luck.